never give up, never surrender, right? I mean, if you know what you want to do, then that's what you want to do, and do it.
You've got to take the risk. You have to be able to see what the technology is bringing, where it's going, and be ahead in that curve.
The bleeding edge of technology is the people in the trenches trying to do the work and problem solving. And there's nothing like working with a group of people that are all trying to do the same thing.
And you have to be willing to jump into the water, in knowing that if you hustle good, it will get you there, or it will get you somewhere you did not expect.
All of these things are there in the service of the story, and that's it. It's technology in the service of art. For eons as a species, we've been obsessed with taking real-world, high dynamic range scenes and reproducing them on low dynamic range display devices. The cave paintings in Lascaux, for example.
I always loved movies, and E.T. was filled with emotion, but also fantasies, you know? Color is subliminal. It's how you perceive like image and emotion. It's emotionally driving where you're going.
The color palette, the decisions about the colors used in a film and how they're used, it is a tool for the storytelling. It is a tool for driving the emotional story forward without the audience knowing that they're being pulled along a certain path.